Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and ignore a message on Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and dive into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Messenger. Once your Messenger is open, you can go ahead and check out all the messages. For example, if you do not want to see a message from particular account, for example, it's this account, right? Go ahead, tap on that long press, you will be able to find this kind of options. So you purposely named of the option is like ignore the message is not available, but instead of that there are many ways you can actually ignore a user and the messages. First is you have archive. You can simply go ahead archive this from your chats. Other is you can see this mute option, right? If you go ahead, you can go ahead mute notification for that person's message, calls and everything. And the other option that you have is simply go ahead tap on this restrict. This way you will be able to restrict that person from texting you and you won't get notified as well. One is that, and the other is like mute, as I mentioned over here. And then other is simply go ahead block. If you wanna like really irritated, once and all gonna done, then you can go ahead block that person as well. Other than that, these are the options. You can go ahead try it if there is somebody is that you want to remove or ignore Messenger. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.